You ready, boy?
Yes, Daddy.
How they look, me son? We never watch him now.
Back in action, back in action.
First time you go somewhere, it's back in action.
Back in action. I did here since I'm young, you know.
What you buy? And I bring my chains. My chains on name is Mr. Chin. We go and clear up some land. All you hear? Me, my son, my nephew, and Mr. Chin. What are you shaking so? Gee, boy. Anyway, maybe we'll get a video. Watch bush. You just walk where I walk. We shot ancestry for it. Watch bush. Watch bush we're going through down here. The Crayfish River just now too. And Patong Green. Anyways, I go and get this DJI mic. I ain't get it yet, so when I get the mic, all they go hear me better. So now, because I don't like to talk too loud when I'm making a video. People are always complaining they don't hear. So I go hear me better just now. Alright? You good there?
Yes, Daddy.
You good there, nephew, man? Ooh, watch out all I know, I show it by. Remember just a couple of weeks from all the landslides, so we're not out the woods yet. Chad River, a trench there. Ooh, a river bank, I sediments, you know, from the flood. This bank never high, so you know. Yeah.
Where that big stone come from?
That big stone always there, boy.
I never see that.
This big stone in the middle. Although this one look a little low. I don't know how to cross the river. Go on, let me show them how you just cross this river here. Your foot get wet, boy. Alright, you feel you do good? Nephew man, follow the youth and see. Walk on all them big stone. So we have to go and catch some crayfish, but it will be a day when you're there. Or they watch them. Let me tell you, you must come in the river with a water boots because you just walk through the water. That's how you cross the river. With the water boots. Just so. When you watch sediment, boy. You see that mud here?
Yeah.
All that, watch me. This is from the flood. This here is the actual ground that was here before. So all of this mountain and mud, that is just sediment from the flood.
That's why it's so easy to just break up.
And look, what is a fig tree? What do a fig tree end up? And now what that is, boy? I will plant that. I will plant that and see. Oh no, the stem red. That's a fig. Banana. For the people who don't know what is fig. Fig is green banana, we just call it fig. Look, something good after this sediment. We're gonna make a hunt down here too. Open the gas tank. First lesson I teaching this man farming. First lesson in the bush. Open this gas tank, let me see. Well, point by the tree go be in the camera. We know to open a gas tank, by. Oh gosh!
I just remember. Oh! I just checked the type. Okay. And watch it and I was like, I use this here.
Oh, this man is a tongue, man. This man is not no country. This man is not no country, man. Let me see. The gas full, eh? Put some gas inside of it. This is a 2-stroke Getel gasoline chainsaw. Yeah. Oh gosh, boy, you watch your man waste me gas, boy. You ever see me start a chainsaw? Fastest way to cut out a foot. Oh. This is how to start a chainsaw. Like a man. All you see this here? This is not a tree. This is a vine. That vine strangling all them big tree on them. So you can't cut it with the chainsaw. So you cut it with the cutlass. See that? With the cutlass the sharpen. One swing and that fall. But the cutlass dull. A lot of rotten wood around here too. The chainsaw for me. You could cut some of that shrubbery there. Oh, my chain fall off the chainsaw. I have to unthing it to put it on. No man, it's not too bad. Therapy. Kids, don't try this at home. Hold this chainsaw.
Yeah. Them smaller shrub and thing, I can use the weed eater as well, no?
Huh? Yeah, but only one time to rechain a chainsaw. The most important thing, it's not the back end, it's the front. I got to open it. Well, current situation. I'm not sure if I have the parts to change it in the car, but I am sure. Yeah, it does spoil. You just need a little bit of slackening and putting back on the chain. So you know what? Good thing I bring the weed eater. Let me go and put on the weed eater now. Oh, that one brutal. Pose with your chainsaw as you're doing things. Yeah, this shrubbery, let me tell all you know, I don't just randomly. I used to have my cow here, and I'm planning to get another cow again, and probably plant some soursop and a couple of fruit crops, you know. Some for me, some for the buds, some guava, some oranges. But yeah, so like we left it for a while. The hurricane did throw down a couple of trees, but all of this shrubbery just grew back up. So this thing used to be there, so I'm gonna just clear it out. You see the sapodilla tree is trying to catch itself. Just a little bit help here and here. A lot of the big trees are still. There's a hog plum tree that fell with the bad weather. You see there's papaya over there, just wild growing. So I'm gonna leave all the fruit trees. This soursop tree is gonna stay. I'm gonna plant a few more soursops. It will be an adventure, yeah. But yeah, I need the chainsaw for some of these trees here. They're not real trees, they're shrub, like they're offshoots. It's only been here a few months. But yeah, oh, my friend was asking me about this thing here. Let me show you all this flower. Oh, there's a bumblebee on it. You see the bumblebee? I think you can get it in the camera. The bumblebee pollinating the love plant. Well, let me get one for you. Yeah, this flower is a flower for the ladies. It does wonders. Hey, bumblebee, I'm sorry. I think the bee wants his flower back.
Is that aphrodisiac?
Yeah, well, let me know in the comments if you know this flower. If it's a what?
Aphrodisiac.
No, I think it's just to do with woman health, woman reproductive health.
Oh, okay.
I forgot the name of it. You seen it before? Come and see it. Nice purple flower. They says it's shaped like a female reproductive.
Oh,
But
no.
it grows like a vine. I have to get my protective gear in order. See the weed eater with the nice blade? All you lose a screw for the machine. Everything malfunctioning today?
The Allen keeper?
Yeah, but the last time I used it was around somewhere here I started the machine. So you must have followed it from where I started the machine. Look one day. What? All you need good eyes in this wall, eh? Look one here. I get one. You see? How I see that in this bush, boy? Well, you know why? I just eat red meat.
Hey, trying to flex
I
on
just
me?
eat coconut oil.
Trying to flex on me?
I doesn't use vegetable oil. See if you could find out. This is what I lose, right? And I lose 2 more. All you see it?
2 more? Okay.
So somewhere between here and over there where the machine is. But yeah, I just drink water. I don't drink sugar. I don't drink soda. I don't really drink alcohol either.
No alcohol?
All the vices, I don't take part in that. So that way my vision good, so.
All devices or devices?
Not devices.
I know.
Because this is a GoPro, which is a recording device. The vices, alcohol, party, sugar, soda, eating all them kind of thing like flour and things. You don't eat that, boy? I don't mind eat, I go eat the odd cow. But I don't like to eat the cow food. All this grass and thing. Anyway, I'll leave this one go work. But the Alan Keto put it on there in the van too. That is a sign, you know. No, the one in the pocket can't work.
Oh,
Karim just stand up watching. Karim, you're the smallest you supposed to find that already, you know. One little screw like that, how I could find the screw and all you can't find one by. Oh, they see this young people know this. I walk from there to find a screw up there and you saying it's a clear path. Only well, basically them kind of shrubbery, so just growing to weed. Have a whole section over there with it I have to clean down. And then grow back some grass, and then between the grass I'm going to plant some fruit crop like this soursop, this apple and these kind of things. And papaya, you know, normal, a lot of food I go plant down here. Bananas, coconut, I have about 10 coconut plants already. You know, utilize the place a little bit. And then again a couple of cattle in the new year. I plan to get 2 heifers. Alright boy, watch if I can find my screw and my chainsaw chain. That's a sign that we need to go home and watch football.
Football going on?
Yeah. You want me to, what you want me to plant?
Kakoli.
You know it's kakoli?
No.
What is kakoli?
My teacher say kakoli is kuli papai.
Coolie papa is Coraili. Coraili. You eat that? What is the yellow thing with the red seeds inside?
Yeah.
That's Coraili. Good to bed too when you have bad skin, you know. We used to eat plenty of that when I was small. Kakoli is a kind of tree, Kamal. It's a hardwood tree. It's a kind of white sweet fruit. The skin green, sometimes it just turn yellow when it ripe. And it's a nice fleshy kind of starchy fleshy thing, like a bean, like tamarind, but it's white. And the skin is a soft skin, or a kind of rubbery skin. Nice fruit.
I find a noise like that.
Yeah man, you always have kakoli on the side of people. People used to like one kakoli in their land. I'm not sure if you used to be a boundary marker. Only I find one screw. One screw could start the machine, you know. Well, maybe the next one fall up home. When I start with it here and I start it over there somewhere. All I know is the last one had to follow it after I started the last time.
So that could be the last one.
Yeah. Because now we can't start. I'm moving there. Watch. All you need good eyes, oh gosh. Collateral damage.
Oh no.
Oh, that is now a stick. What is that?
There's a stick piece.
Yeah, but you lose his foot. You just kick a girl back his foot, you know.
Yeah.
You lose 3 in 6 feet by
Damn.
stick insect. Well, I'm sorry, but I didn't see you. I thought it was a stick. Your camouflage work a little too good for you today. Anyways, all of that here. All of this is water damage, you know. The river wasn't so far up. Yeah, what a nice place to be and thing, eh? Watch the yelling around here. No? We're going to catch some crayfish bite. Let's see when the river all left flooding and landslide. Look.
Yeah,
Watch how he's sinking in it.
as you're going, it is at the sink down.
Watch how he's sinking in it. That is just stuff sediments. Yeah.
Remember, we catch crayfish in the river themselves.
Yeah. Want to catch a crayfish there? Kamal, you know how to catch crayfish? Nasty man. Now you know you're blowing me over water there. The man wash his face in the water. I see you blow your nose in it.
I blow my nose after.
And I go to wash my face right here now. Never wash your face downstream in a river.
Yeah, that was a bad thing.
People, let me catch a crayfish for you. Hold the camera, Karim. Hold the camera, let me show you how to catch a crayfish. Who is the best? Who is the best crayfish catcher you know?
My father.
Who is your father?
Dr. Kenneth Kata.
No, but who?
You?
Alright, me. Alright, hold on. You see? You see me in the camera there? Let me tell you something. Put on my darkers for that. My son say I'm the best crayfish catcher you know. Let me show you how to catch a crayfish. To catch a crayfish, you must have no fear.
Yeah, just put your hand on the
You
rock.
just watch this rock here. A crayfish must be hiding here. Well, just to show you I catch a crayfish on the first attempt, eh? Although it's a small one. It's a small one, but it's a crayfish.
Nonetheless.
But let me catch a bigger one now. Let me show you. Now this is an uncut video. Right here, sir. Gone by. Ah, he gone by.
Ah, my little one get away. Shit.
Gone by. I'll get one here. Alright, all you see that big piece of leaf you've seen? You can see the leaf in your camera, sir. All you see that big piece of leaf there? What's the next way to catch a crayfish?
Just pick up shrubbery in the water.
Take that big piece of leaf there, sir.
Always a
Watch it,
crayfish
watch
in
it.
shrubbery.
Let me throw it on the ground.
Yeah,
here.
one time. Always a crayfish in shrubbery.
Karim is cameraman. Karim camera don't picking up nothing, you know. Karim, you could see that on the camera.
Remember you teach me that when I was young. Always a crayfish in
The
shrubbery.
man was studying me. Give me my camera back. You take out the crayfish, I go be the cameraman because the cameraman leave you walk. All you see?
Watch crayfish.
Yeah,
So if you're in the river and you're fishing for bigger crayfish,
Just grab a thing of grub.
Shrubbery.
you grab some shrubbery.
Yeah, always a crayfish in it. Small, big.
Small, big, gigantic.
All you see that?
The
Oh,
man
there's a
jumped
female.
straight
Yeah.
into my hand.
You get one? A small one?
Tree. Tree.
Won't you back there?
I just seen small, tiny
Four.
ones.
Watch your little reds there.
Yeah, boy. You can
See you on the red?
Yeah. It's like a big one.
He had a bigger one eh. But I don't know where he go.
Mine is the best though.
Yeah. Find a good size one.
And a little worried that we put them out to the water. They literally could just walk back in.
Literally walk out on the radio all the time.
They could walk back there. I mean, they got to find a new house. Yeah, but this is river life.
What don't you have?
You catch one for yourself?
Yes, I catch it on after.
But you come along there trying to catch one.
I catch one already.
One thing, we won't starve if we have to live in the bush, yeah?
I know.
It's not much to eat, but...
I teach me.
So let me let go that one. Bye bye little girlie. Let me go, she's actually latching on to me. Go on. She's not letting go.
Come on, you got taxi.
Go on. She jokesy. Go on. Okay, put her on the rock, she might go. She say, "Want to hold you interfere with me on this good Sunday." Go away. And she's gone. All the ring go come, let we go. We did that stop work. Chainsaw chain come out. But at least we catch some crayfish.
Saw that?
Anna,
Right down my foot go ahead.
he probably on camera though. That is the kind of shoes what young people are going to bush with.
No, don't do that. Don't try
That
to
is the
style
kind
me
of
so.
shoes what country people
Don't
are
try
going
to
to bush
style me
with.
so. No.
Waterproof, water boost, you could walk through the water.
With the second one?
No, I thought it was two. Nothing big, eh?
Hold it, look. You're going to hold it back.
Don't be scared of your own crayfish.
Yeah,
Catch it
just
and bring it up to the camera, let me see. The holy gun, the holy body. That little thing can do you no damage. Like what the gun the bite, won't you? You afraid of like a bite? How is you get strong if a crayfish to
I
give you
never
like a
get back by
squeeze?
crayfish before.
You never catch a crayfish by yourself before?
I get bite, never.
I get enough bite from crayfish, but you know what I also do? I bite
Eat.
plenty crayfish.
Me too.
So then like
I
you a
like
like a
eating like
squeeze.
clogs
You can
down
get
there.
back 1 liter.
You get you there.
I don't know.
Hmm?
I see it. You want to know how I find it?
How?
I see it dash on the stone and then I just grab it by the stone there.
You grab it?
Yeah, I just grab the stone and then
When you start to really watch it, see in the fish, man. But that
yeah.
rock fish, man.
Come on, that whole stone full of water. That whole stone of water.
Yeah.
All you know them kind of fish there?
I think I see a remora.
A remover? A rainbow data? A remora? That is suck stone what they
Yeah.
buy. Look at mullet, look at river mullet just past
Yeah,
there.
I see one of it. So I told me them to
To
just bite.
catch some
Want
fish.
to see it? You know
No.
the camera waterproof?
Yeah, I think I see it.
Watch them fish there. You know the camera waterproof.
Try to grab one.
You try to grab one.
Nah, man, them fish are them.
That's a nice place to swim in.
And a nice place to get straight in.
What water dirty by?
Yeah, man.
Who going in that stink water? You mad?
I know somebody called Karim.
They run up.
Hold on, a little here in there?
The boat?
Yeah, listen it.
Yeah, that was asking about it, sir.
It's a northern water thrush.
Oh, that was asking.
Don't move too fast. See the right, you go be on the ground in the river.
Right on the side over
Yeah. Let me see if I find it. I don't think we just get Louisiana water thrush here, but Louisiana water thrush like running river. And northern water thrush like near the river. Okay, let me see if we find this spot. Call it in. I'm gonna try to call it in. Don't, well, you could try this at home, eh? Okay. Oh, that should I eat some breakfast now?
Karim just telling me that day.
What?
He was like, "Hey, breakfast." I said, "Boy, halfway." Try to start my fish.
Well, you see all them trees that block the river there? See how the river bring down that tree? Yeah, well, you don't know them what to trust there? You could come up in the night and see if we catch some ling, you know. You see it. Look at the crayfish just run out there. Hold it, to the below that stone there. Yeah. Bury the two sides of the stone with your two hands. Come and see if you can hold it.
Oh, that's where the stone friend. Where you go? Under
They're
here?
below the stone still. Wait to the whole road for the thing to jump out. Yeah. Go in, close the space. And come up. You don't feel it in your hand?
I catch it? That fish was in there.
Okay, fish gone, but a little slow.
But how you that mean you go under here?
Yeah, well. Try the whole you want thing. Try thing, man. You got nothing not to bite out your whole finger here. No? Look at it. If I had to come and catch this crayfish, eh?
You see up to now, I don't see what crayfish on
Crayfish stay in the space right there. Let's look at the small thing, go jump straight in your hand. Look at the crayfish in the back here. Oh, you're too slow, man.
I can't see where you go. I don't know.
I don't see all the crayfish.
Let me crayfish spin down see all the way over there. Now you watch how this water mash up the land. All this is from the recent flooding and thing too, eh? So this wasn't the river, but the river passed down here because you can see that look as at least 6 feet of debris. And it just mashed down everything. And it go down this way. I used to have my cow right here, you know. This was just grass. All of this house plant, I plant some coconut here. Good thing I didn't plant them. Well, a man take cow to eat out my coconut. Look at all of this here. All this sediment over grass and thing here. So this is not the river, look the river in the corner here. And you go around the corner to where we was, you could see all of the river bank wash out. And all of this part here undermine and the road. So you go sometimes. So you go. Mother Nature for you. If Mother Nature don't get you, Father Time will get you. So live a good life here, live a good life. I'm going to plant some moringa on the ridge there. The tree of life. Well, let we go, bye. Let we go.
I sat inside the bush. I sat inside and come out.
All you tell me, nephew, cut this shrubbery.
Daddy, I see 8 passion fruit.
The man cut the passion fruit vine, you know.
That don't count. I was inside the bush.
You know how much years I trying to grow passion fruit down here? The man cut the passion fruit vine, you know.
Passion fruit.
Watch this one here. This one almost ripe.
I see one of us so like that.
Watch.
I want up in the bush there.
The man say he didn't see the passion fruit. And look how big passion fruit vine there, man. See that green vine up there?
So you growing up on that tree?
I just hope you didn't cut the stem. That could be the stem all the way over there. That big green vine down there. So maybe you didn't kill the passion fruit after all.
Because I was trying to cut them branch mostly, so I was just cutting the vines. I was on.
On this, yeah, but it was touch ground somewhere.
Oh yeah, check it now in tree. That big vine in tree. Look at some over there.
Yeah, that big green vine there's a passion fruit vine.
No, I say look at some passion fruit
See
growing all over here.
14 passion fruit.
So when I cut down them small tree, I leave in the passion fruit for you grow up the big tree. I leave in all that big tree and them, that galba.
Yeah, look at some.
I leave in that.
Galba?
Yeah, you know galba?
No. You have
You know how to bite a passion fruit just so? Bite it, let me see.
What's the...
It's slippery.
It's slippery. Let me show
You
you.
know we have a list of wild fruits
The
and
people them.
wild forest.
Pure passion fruit straight off of the tree. Natural. How they say? Natural. Non-GMO. No pesticides, nothing. You could peel passion fruit so yeah.
Yeah, people could eat passion fruit just so.
Mm.
Me too. I don't eat.
Look at this. Passion fruit goodness.
And then yellow. That would be the sweetest.
You want?
I don't know. Might take a little piece.
I doesn't share passion fruit.
Well, I'm going to pick one.
Take this. You see I bite it up like a maniku? I think it could taste better.
Like a maniku?
Yeah. How it tastes?
Good.
Pepper thing. Who get that? Who buy that? Who buy that? You or me?
You?
Yeah, let's see. This one don't ripe hard, I'll bite it, but this, hold on, this one could ripen, yeah, some yellow in it.
I find there's enough.
Yeah.
If you
Don't
have
put
a...
the gas on your passion fruit, there will be some gasoline flavored passion fruit.
Daddy, if you go by where the blue balls there, or in the bush or so, you will see a thing tree.
A what tree?
But it had like a piece of cloth or jersey tie on it. Yeah, it does a real yellow passion fruit up there.
So you thief somebody passion fruit, sir?
No.
You get permission to go there? You get permission to go there? Huh?
My dog is pretty pretty.
That is called stealing, young man.
I'm doing some pretty alasani.
And do you have an owner? You know who the owner is? You ask them for the passion fruit? Don't go back in the people passion fruit, sir.
Yes, Daddy.
Ask them first. This passion fruit here, you know who it for?
You?
Exactly, so I could pick it. This man is easy. The man telling me
Where you can get
proper direction, we can get passion.
It was telling us the exact direction, everything in it.
Hey.
It's a clock
Oh, son, children jokes here. Anyway, how the we come out of here?
What is your cousin?
Is your cousin on? You still have to ask them permission, eh? But if you want to come down here for you could just come down here for you. That asks no permission. Just tell me you come and pick some passion fruit. Alright?
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, and I saw the cut from the inside come out.
Watch him and waste a whole passion fruit there. Tongue people, look at the culprit there.
Tongue people is crazy. I born and grew up here.
You grew up with inside the house. You could born in the country, but if it was inside the house your whole time in your childhood, you're just as a tongue person.
Tell them that my people I drop my eyes. Where I go.
Let me go by. You want to pass there? Okay, try a thing. Oh, he go fall. He go fall. Let me go and see if he fall. I'm sure he go fall. Oh, he passed through. I thought he was going to pass over the fence.
He
Yeah.
tried to pass when he was coming in first.
Yeah, but you're 2 wire. So if you didn't pass over both of the wires, down he coming. You make it, man. Actually 3 wire you have there. You have to do over all this wire.
I have one right there.
4
On
wires.
high.
3 I found.
4.
4?
The 3 over there plus 1.
And then one day, yeah,
Tie
okay.
on that one there.
Yeah, we have to do over this fencing. I don't know what planting in the fence line though. Maybe plant back some galba
Yeah,
and some moringa. Moringa should be able to grow here.
Forest crops.
You must always plant trees that you could utilize.
Daddy.
The animals could utilize it because they put some bees down here. So you see they put the fencing connected to the plants. Yes sir.
So we have on this acre
Mm.
is planted forest crops and non-planted forest crops.
Planted forest crops and non-planted forest crops.
Wow, body on non-planted. Leaf, penny piece,
Mahogany.
no,
That there on your list?
that are the on the non-planted. And then on the planted,
Yeah.
mahogany,
Yeah.
maho,
Yeah. Blue maho.
pine,
Pine, yeah. Okay, let me.
and cedar.
And cedar, white cedar, or red
Right,
cedar,
that is also used to make these tables.
table and bed and thing. Okay, let me ask you a question. What tree is that behind you there?
Mango,
Yeah. And why is that one next to it there that look different to it?
mango,
And why is that one up there?
mango,
Why is that one by the river there?
mango.
You see how that line of mango tree there? Back in the days they plant all this mango tree so that the animal could get food. The people could get food when you come and walk in the land.
Again,
And mango. Some is sour seed, some is cali. That one there is a dandakayo. The one on the fence line.
Yeah.
And that galba over there. And that big one. That one there. That straight tree in the middle for yourself, you see it?
Oh,
Yeah, that's a galba there. Yeah. And galba, when the galba make the seed, them bat like to eat it. So you always a galba seed on the side of your house.
Oh, that's the one that I
Well, you go back in case all you fall. Let me see how it is. For the non-walk to the river people. Sunday walk cut shot. We going back home with all the fuel. Hey, carefully back the black thing to fall out of my weed eater. Carefully back part to fall out of my weed eater. Will you make it? I just take the opportunity to wash out my boots. Go back in the same mud we just passed in.
look how cool Papa find over there.
Where?
Oh, pretty.
Oh yeah, that yellow vine all the way up there? I see it. Green vine, look, you have a yellow flower. You can see the yellow flower?
The green vine with the yellow flower.
And
the flower does the
let's see how the ground still saturated. Watch that. That mean if Phoenix siren come again, more landslide. Anyway, let me go back up civilization. That's all.
When hurricane come, it doesn't pass so much landslide, eh?
When hurricane come, look the corally there. Look the how you say kulipapai?
Coral.
Corally kulipap. Look at it.
Yeah, okay.
That is very touch it. Let's see what. This is real good for bad skin. We just bathing with it as soap, you know. I bathe like a children with it too.
And you could eat it too.
You could eat it?
Nice when you eat it.
It is nice when you eat it?
Yeah.
Hey, we look to see if you have a... Look one day, come, look one day, show them. Look two right there.
Yeah, these you could eat, but when they're green,
Look how green on it.
when the skin green, you can't eat it.
Look how green over here.
I don't see.
The green one?
Oh, there?
Oh, yeah, you can't eat this one, but
Well,
you
boss,
could eat this
take the ripe one now. Right it, let me see. Put on the gas, boy. I like to hook up this gas bottle, so use a car.
No.
See, you have a nice red inside.
Yeah, see that.
How you eating it?
It's good.
Don't eat the seed, you could only take out the red thing on it and eat it.
Yeah. How it is?
Good, but the red thing don't come off yet.
You know what come off? My shoulder come off that joint. Holding this chainsaw. Right here come off. Again, old by. So it is. What is the closest fruit it tastes like?
I like that.
Maybe a mix between cold papaya.
Coolie papai?
Cold papaya.
Oh, cold papai?
But it don't sweet as papaya.
Okay.
Some of them does be sweeter than that.
For the people who don't know what papaya is papa. Papaya.
Papaya.
What?
Papaya.
Oh, this man is a chef, so he talking papaya. What papaya?
Papaya.
Kamal can see it. Oh, you look how big he going already.
Oh, see it. What's up, boy? Hey, you're bad. I respect it.
Oh, he move, he run. Oh, when you see I put on me, he gone by.
Gone by.
You see I put on the chain, so he press.
Yeah, you run inside of it.
Oh boy, don't get hunted. Don't never get a shot or two behind it. You run this man.
Wait,
I'm a father, maybe you should have it.
me?
Don't go on there. You
Yeah,
should
me.
fish.
Oh, they don't study them. I don't shoot iguana. I don't even eat that.
Oh,
The meat does taste too green. Anyway, let me
sometimes
tell all
when
you.
they're black,
Let me tell all you about this thing now.
when the orangey does be a still out. I like to see orangey go.
That one does sweet, man. Sometimes it does sweet, eh? You know why it does sweet? We now suck the passion fruit and the passion fruit sweet.
Can't touch that.
So it tastes in, it don't, well, that's why it's
I
not
find
sweet.
that one look like you don't even sweet.
Yeah.
Leave
The
it,
more they're
man.
green,
young,
the
yeah.
more they're looking.
Yeah, but
Like
anyway,
that.
Color, the sweeter.
Color?
this here people we use that you could bathe with that.
You had a color.
Just wrap it up and you wash down your skin with that.
Unless
You could bathe in the river with it too, you know? Anyways, watch my chainsaw. Well, let me go and drink tea yet.
Bring the gas for the
Bro,